What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you, Market Marauders, investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. All right, so today I'll be giving you my top picks of stocks you can buy for under $1. If that's something you like or interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so the first one on here, we got ticker sign SNDL, and that is for sundial growers. If you look at the chart, they are currently bearish at the moment, the time of this video, but their moving average 10 is 28 cents, moving average 50 is 35 cents, moving average 100 is 32 cents, and they ended the week at 29 cents. Currently bearish at the moment. VWAP is down as well, but let's jump to some background information and see what they do. So Sundial Growers is actually a cannabis company, so they're based in Canada, but with this whole new presidency, President Biden being in the White House, we know in the States here in the U.S. That cannabis will be one of those booming industries or sectors that will definitely be able to benefit from him as presidency. So with this company already being in the cannabis niche, I think it's one of the cheaper options you can jump into the cannabis world and actually begin to invest in today. So going into their earnings that they had, it says the principal cash used in operations decreased by 63% to $5.3 million for the quarter, not including the non-cash capital, financing and investing activities of $14.3 million during the previous quarter. Then they've had a decrease of their sales as time's gone on. Net cannabis revenue from the third quarter of 2020 was $12.9 million, a decrease of 36% over the second quarter of 2020 due primarily to the focus on branded retail sales. So in my opinion, this is part of the pandemic. In my opinion, I think that's why that the numbers are so low, and especially if more and more states in the U.S. begin to increase their cannabis regulations, I think a company like this will definitely be able to continue to grow even though they're based in Canada. So going to the next one, we got ticker sign ZOM for Zomedica Corporation. Moving average 10 on them is 10 cents. Moving average 50 is 8 cents. Moving average 100 is 7 cents. They ended the week at 9 cents and are bullish at the time of this video. So bullish denoted by this moving average 10 line, which is red, being above the moving average 50 and the moving average 100, which is this yellow and this purple line. So go to some background information on them. They're basically a pet medicine company. So they make a lot of things for pets. So going into their revenue, we can see that they have 5.0 million as of September 30th, 2020, or 0.01 per share. Approximately 12.7 million or 0.4 share was lost, and approximately 2.8 million, approximately 17.0 million per share was lost. But I think as time goes on, that this company will continue to grow. Pets are definitely something that's sort of a niche topic itself, but a company that makes medicine for pets, I think, will continue to grow as time goes on because people put priority on their pets. So if you look during the pandemic, companies like Chewy and PetSmart definitely went up because people stocked up on those things. I think the same thing will happen with medicines. People will continue to buy medicines for their pets. I think a company like this is just waiting to continue to go up. So going to the next one, we got Nabriva, so ticker sign NBRV. They are bullish at the time of this video, denoted by this moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and 100. Moving average 10 on them is 46 cents, moving average 50 is 42 cents, and moving average 100 is 43 cents. So they ended the week at 48 cents. So I would definitely look at them for an early morning mover when the market opens. Now they are a therapeutics company, and I think they are waiting for FDA approval on one of their drugs. I think they said that they have an NDA that they have out, which is a new drug application. So basically waiting for that information to come out for the development of this drug, which when that comes out, I think it's going to be poised to go up even further than where it currently is at. So y'all can go read this article. This is basically some of the stuff in the press release. I'm just summing it up. But some of the things around them definitely were impacted by the pandemic. But I think things surrounding FDA approvals, especially the therapeutics. It's kind of a hot button issue right now, especially involving the FDA. So I think they'll potentially get approval as time goes on, as long as they get all their things, all their ducks in a row, basically with the FDA, because it's not like they're just going to pass through anything. They actually, have a detailed process on things that they do. And there's a process. I made a video a while back about how pharmaceutical companies go through their phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then have like all the different technical things that they have to do with the FDA in order to get something approved. But after that process, FDA approvals definitely help move the stock and help grow the share price. So definitely keep your eyes out on them. Then lastly, we got ticker sign AESE, and that is for Allied Esports Entertainment. Now, this is the one that I'm most excited about because I think gaming and esports in general is going to continue to grow as time goes on. I think it's going to be something that's going to be incorporated daily onto like ESPN, and I think a lot of companies are going to benefit from the whole esport niche taking off. Now, going into this stock, we can see its moving average 10 is 95 cents, moving average 50 is 93 cents, and moving average 100 is 97 cents. It ended the week at 95 cents, so not too bad. Bearish at the time of this video because the moving average 10 is below the moving average 100 line, so it is bearish. But let's jump into and see what the company actually does. So this is Allied Esports Entertainment. This is their two brands. So they have an Esports International where they host a lot of different games, and they do World Poker Tour. So two very popular companies, in my personal opinion, that I think will continue to grow. Going to their Allied Esports section, we can see on here that they've hosted quite a few games at their esport conferences. They have people who do commentary. It seems like they have a sponsorship from Mountain Dew. So it seems like the company's on track. If we can get gaming to start back, I think we can see this company go back up. Now the stock is pretty cheap, relatively cheap at the time of this video, and I think for a company in the esport niche, this is a very huge deal. To try to be able to jump in at something under $1. So I'm definitely going to be looking at this one. As time goes on. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are looking at. Good luck to everybody trading out there this week. I know it's been a pretty volatile week. Stocks being up and down, markets fluctuating quite a bit. But I hope everybody's able to lock in some trades. And make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm. And that subscribe. That helps as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.